Tiqets affiliate program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join to the affiliate program of Tiqets. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know what is Tiqets, it is an innovative online ticketing platform which aims to simplify the process of accessing cultural experiences. And the platform connects travelers with instant, last-minute mobile tickets for a wide range of museums and attractions worldwide, effectively addressing common frustrations like long waiting times and the unavailability of tickets for popular venues. But we're not here to join or purchase a ticket, but rather to earn money using their affiliate program, in which it is a lucrative opportunity for individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting cultural experiences and attractions. And to do that, all you need to do is to simply go to this footer section of this tickets.com, and below it will show you a variety of options to choose from. And under this partnership, it will show you the two options, which is become a supplier or become a distributor. And in those options, kindly proceed by clicking become a distributor. Then you will be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you about the overview of their affiliate program and why join to Tiqets travel affiliate program. And it says here that you can drive more revenue, offer top selling tickets, and get an expert support, and also monthly payouts in here, in which affiliates can earn up to 10% of the booking price for each sale made through the referral links, making it one of the more competitive programs in the travel niche. And below in here, if you scroll down, it will show you the frequently asked question, including what is ticket, and by clicking those questions, it will show you the corresponding answer below here, and who can sign up to be a partner. And it says here that there's no visitor or order number requirements to become a distributor at Tiqets, and your content should be travel focused and should be match the product offerings of the tickets. And also it will show in here how does the Tiqets commission model work. And it says here the Tiqet supports a standard cross-transaction margin share model where they share default 50% of the margin with partners. But Tiqets also offers customized commission rates for high-performing partners depending on the volume and the value of audience and the partner brings to Tiqets. Well, under this, when do I get paid, it will show you that Tiqet creates an invoice for you at the beginning of each month containing all orders within the previous month. Well, under this, what tools are available to me? From here, it will show you some of the tools that you could also use to promote once you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And by clicking this here button right here, you'll be able to automatically directed on this page right here, in which by clicking on it, you'll be able to see here some of the option of affiliate tools that you can choose from. The first one is the affiliate link. We also have here this available widget and many more. Now next to this question, how can I track my performance? It will show you that it offers an extensive reporting options, so you can always keep track of your sales and earnings, in which by setting up site brands for your different campaigns or website, you can monitor your performance more effectively. Now in terms of their service support, they offer premium customer support in here 24/7, customer service, live multilingual support in the customer preferred language, and convenient contact option. Well, if you have some other concern or question, you could also click the FAQ button on the top right corner in here, in which by clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on the next page in here, where you can start entering here your question or selecting the category that it is concerned. And you would also submit a ticket in here. But moving on to start joining to the affiliate program, just simply go back to this page in here and click become a partner button, in which by clicking the button in here, you will automatically be directed on this page where you can start signing in by filling out all of this required information, including your first name, last name, email address, your company name in here, your company website, the currency that you prefer, your country, and even select here your desired partnership with Tiqets. And from here, I'm going to choose online travel agent. And aside from that, below here, you also need to indicate your preferred destinations or personalized product suggestions. You can use here global or select here below the specific country do you want or your preferred destination. But I'm going to choose the global. And now after that, the next thing that you need to fill out is this: where did you hear about us? So basically from here, just simply choose where did you hear about Tiqets. And after simply answering all of this question, just click the submit button in here after doing your CAPTCHA. And upon clicking on it, or after signing up, you will now be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you this page. And it says here that you have now successfully signing up, and all you need to do is wait for them to respond, since currently they are reviewing your application. So they will send you an email indicating if you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program or not. But once you are eligible to be part of their program, you can now proceed by logging in your account by clicking this affiliate program button below here. By simply clicking on it, from here, all you need to do is to simply log in your account, including your email address and also your password in here. Then click the login button to proceed to be directed on the dashboard, and also to start promoting the Tiqets affiliate program and earn money from it. You could also select here a variety of places to choose from, or your selected or preferred destination in here. But in terms of the tools, we have here first the affiliate link, or the tracker links that we can use after generating our own, in which it serves as a purpose in monitoring and managing the affiliates' sales, in which these links embedded with the unique codes allow Tiqets to track the traffic and conversions generated by affiliates, in which when a customer or viewer try to click the link, they will automatically be directed on this page, for example, where they can start purchasing or booking a ticket of this kind of places or destination. And once they book their ticket, we will earn a commission from it. And we could also post those tracker links or affiliate link in our Facebook account, Twitter, Instagram, and any other platforms. Now moving on to the other tool, which is the availability widget. In Tiqets affiliate program, it serves as a crucial role in enhancing user experience and increasing conversion rates, in which this tool displays a real-time availability for specific products or experiences, allowing potential customers to see when tickets are available for their desired dates and times. Well, the other tool that we can use is this booking link, which serves a crucial purpose by enabling affiliates to connect their audience directly to Tiqets, offering while tracking sales and commissions effectively, in which when affiliates generate a booking link through the Tiqet affiliate portal, it includes a unique tracker code that identifies the affiliate responsible for the referral. So basically, those Tiqets affiliate tools provided are designed to empower affiliates in promoting cultural experiences effectively and maximizing their earning potential, and also includes the discovery widgets that enable affiliates to showcase a selection of tickets offering directly on their websites, in which it looked like this one, and it helped visitors to discover various attractions and experiences, enhancing user engagement and potentially increasing conversion rates. So overall, by utilizing these affiliate tools, partner can enhance the user experience, streamline the purchasing process, and ultimately boost their sales and commissions within the Tiqets affiliate program. So that is just basically how you can join to the affiliate program of Tiqets. Thank you.